Circles.Life tutorial for beginners. How can we use this platform? Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we'll take a look at this platform that offers us a lot of different eSIM plans. Also, we can buy different devices with Circles.Life. So as for me, it's really interesting to interact with this platform. In this case, we can get a lot of different plans for traveling, to use inside of the country, and basically we'll discover all the things. So if you want to use it, I definitely recommend you to find the link in the description. In this case, you'll get best options to join Circles.Life plans, to use their devices and so on. So basically you'll come to this page where you can find this header in the top of the screen with different plans, travel options, corporate, like link or folders, devices, why, and help features. So if you just simply want to discover their plans, you can just simply open the plans, and here we can find like 4G, SIM only, 5G, different eSIMs, borderless, family plan, data only plans, and so on. So you can find the most suitable plan as for you. So for example, if you only want to use data, you can buy 100 gigabytes for only $12 per month, which is really good, and I can say that it's really cheap. Also, we can find the family plans, for example, so for 2 SIMs, for 3, for 4. So yeah, as for me, it's definitely really good. Also, we have like borderless data we can use across 9 different countries, and also like eSIMs. So if you want to find more advanced information, we can just simply click on more info right up here, and after that we can scroll down to find all the information. And I can definitely recommend you to use this Circles.Life platform because they don't have any offices, and it makes them easier to interact with you. All the prices are a little bit cheaper. They don't have to spend their money for like offline stuff, so everything is online, and in this case you can get the best possible prices. And I can definitely recommend you to use these stuff. So you also get like 2 months with ExpressVPN, you can get 5G mobile data, roaming, different access to different lounges, tickets, unlimited like data, and so on. So as for me, I can definitely recommend this platform, but make sure that you found the best plan. I can mention the plans for eSIMs, also with borderless and family plans. If you want to travel, you can use borderless. If you want to buy like a couple of different SIMs, you can use family plan, and also an eSIM if you don't want to, get some difficulties. You can just simply buy the eSIM, install it, and then just simply use. So don't forget about the link in the description, and I wish you a very good day. Goodbye.